DJI isn't taking a break anytime soon. Right after the Osmo 360 made waves online, we're now getting our best look yet at the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6. And this time, it's not just blurry leaks or rumors. These are official images pulled straight from FCC and SGS filings. The Osmo Action 6 has been quietly rumored since late 2024, but now that DJI's confidentiality period has ended, it's all starting to surface, from product shots to internal documents, and even a user manual. So in this video, we're diving into everything we've learned about the Action 6, features, specs, and release expectations. Let's break it all down. The leaked FCC images show that the DJI Osmo Action 6 looks a lot like the Action 5 Pro. You've got the same dual screen setup, with a front display for selfies and a bigger touchscreen on the back. There's also a chunky camera on the front, just like before. But there's one new thing, a strange pill-shaped element right under the front screen. No one's sure what it is yet. It could be a sensor, a mic, or maybe even a light. The user manual doesn't say anything about it, so for now, it's a mystery. Some sources, like Hakasushi, think this design might not be final. But usually DJI's final product ends up looking a lot like what shows up in the FCC filings. One interesting detail in those documents is that there are two battery options, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. That might mean we're getting two versions of the camera, just like with the Action 5 Pro. There could be a basic model with a smaller battery and a more advanced one for creators who want more power and features. They might even drop the Pro name this time to keep things simpler. The FCC manual also confirms a few specs: Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which are great for fast file transfers and easy syncing with your phone. And finally, the name printed on the camera is clearly Osmo Action 6. So this isn't just a test unit, it's the real deal. The FCC documents don't say much about the camera's video quality or sensor details, but that hasn't stopped the rumors. Word is DJI might be putting a much bigger image sensor in the Action 6, maybe even close to a 1-inch sensor. That would be a huge step for an action cam, especially if they're also using stacked CMOS tech. If true, this could fix one of the biggest issues with the Action 5 Pro. It's not so great low light performance. On the video side, there's talk of some major upgrades, possibly 5.3K or even 8K recording, 4K at 120 frames per second, and maybe even 4K at 240 frames per second for super slow motion. Combine that with better image stabilization, cleaner processing, and improved 10-bit color, and the Action 6 could end up being a dream camera for creators. DJI hasn't officially said anything yet, but now that the FCC's 180-day secrecy period is over, a summer 2025 launch seems very likely, probably right around when the Osmo 360 drops. It's a smart move, offering both a traditional and a 360 degrees camera at the same time. And with the possibility of two versions of the Action 6, DJI could be trying to please both casual users and serious creators. So what do you think? Is this finally enough to make you switch from GoPro? Or are you still waiting for something bigger from DJI? Let us know in the comments.